In this video, I will show you how to reset your iPhone. I hope you know that this process will permanently erase all your data, apps, photos, messages and settings. You can use this method if you are selling your iPhone or give it to someone else or want a completely fresh start. So before you start, make sure you back up your data to iCloud or a computer before continuing. So first open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap erase all content and settings. After that, preview the information shown on the screen. Now tap on continue. Then tap on erase iPhone. Now enter your password. And after that, you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to turn off Find My iPhone and activation lock. So after that, confirm the erase process. Now your iPhone will begin erasing all data. Once finished, it will restart and display the Hello Setup screen just like a brand new device. And that's how you can reset your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple tech videos.